Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and here in camera you have to tap what's going on. Please let me in camera. Okay, so here in camera you have to swipe like this, but okay, I'll show you like this, and here you have countdown duration. No, you can set it on 3 or on 10 seconds. So let's set it on 3 and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer works perfectly. Beautiful picture. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.